Hi, I'm Alex. Welcome to this LXC story in which I'm going to talk about user-generated content. Now, you probably know the situation that there's so much knowledge all over your company. There's different departments, different teams, and they have different kind of knowledge. Valuable knowledge, important knowledge. But then there is this narrow passage of people who are able to bring the knowledge into a form that you can deliver it to a lot of employees, to a lot of people, and make it available through a learning management system or any other tool that you use for digital learning. Now, this narrow passage that we have here is something that, when we look into the future, is going to cause a lot of problems. So we should think about strategies on how to enable the company, how to enable the employees to generate contents themselves. The problem is, in many cases, that the authoring tools are too complex for subject matter experts, for regular employees who are not dealing with authoring tools in their daily business. And the solution here is to have simple authoring tools, something that is easy to use, that, gives you a kind of pleasure and really works fast because you can see the result directly. I'm going to show to you in LXT how this can work and how you can have user-generated contents here with an easy way of access and of creating contents. So what we're going to do first is to create a video nugget. So I click on Add Learning Module, and then I'm going to call this one Leadership Video. I'm going to choose the type video. And then when I open this nugget, I add a row, add an element, and I'm going to integrate an external contents because there is a video on, it's a TED Talk on leadership that I have on YouTube here. I can just insert the URL, and then we already have this video here. Now let's maybe give some more information. If you want to know more about XYZ, check out the website. Append an element, an external link that I edit here, and then change to website, and then we just need the URL. Let's type in our website just to show you how this works. All right, click on save, and then yes, this works perfectly. So this is the first learning nugget that we have produced here in a leadership training program. Let's maybe take a screencast. So for software training, special software that you use within the company or in different teams, and then you have this one expert who has all the hacks and tips and the how-tos, who would like to share his knowledge. Then you simply click on Add Learning Module, Software Hacks. You choose the element Screencast. And then same thing, we add a row. This time we upload the video directly from the computer, so the expert can simply make a screencast on his desk and then upload the training afterwards. Now, what is interesting here is that we can give a description of the video. For example, step 1, open the window. Step 2, create new file. Step 3, save as. And then what we need are simply the time codes. So the position in the video when these steps are described. So let's say step 1 is at second 0:15, then we have step 2 at 1 minute and 30, and we have step 3 at 2 minutes 22. Now when I change into the learner's mode with the deactivated editing mode, then you can see that there are jump labels here. So you can click directly to this position, and then you are directly at the part of the video where it talks about step 2. This doesn't look too nice for now, but what we can change is select the element appearance, change the layout, and set the jump labels to the left of the video. Click on save, and then we make this a bit more attractive by giving it a headline. Jump directly to the position ... Make this a headline, and we can format these maybe like this. And then we have a second little nugget with a screencast where an expert shares his knowledge. Let's create a third one, and this is going to be in, let's say, a blended learning context where we have different sources of knowledge, and I would like to upload an article here. Then I am going to have, let's call it leadership article, select article, activate the edit mode, and let's put it like, let's give it a headline. A headline first, headline for the article. That's not very creative, but you get the idea of what I'm doing here. Select a different layout and then add a text element. Now, of course, I do need the article or the summary of the article or whatsoever we have. So I prepared this one here in Word. I can simply copy, market everything, copy, paste it here, and then maybe just format the headlines to give it the same look and feel as in the rest of the tool. And the author of this article is Dirk, so I'll just put the picture of him right next to the article, upload the image. I have it on my desktop as well. And then let's insert a possibility to write an email directly to him. Write a mail to Dirk. Perfect. So what we did here is create 3 simple learning nuggets in less than 3 minutes, 2 minutes. I didn't count, did you? But in a very short time. And this is what really needs to happen when talking about user-generated content. Now, we made the experience that not everyone needs to have the right to publish content, and not everyone should have this right within the tool. In the experiences that we made, it is better to have some person have the right to publish. So you have on the one side people who create contents, the experts who simply type the text in Word or prepare everything in the tool, upload the things, and then you have a second person who publishes the content to assure that the quality is good here. What is important is that it is fast, because if an expert already shares his knowledge or is asked to share his knowledge, then he doesn't want to be unproductive. The loss of productivity by looking in the tool, where is what do I have to do? This takes so much time, and it really is a pain in the neck. So make it as easy as possible for your experts. Give them a good tool, and you saw that in LXT. It is so easy, so smart. It's everything you need to create fast user-generated content, and this helps you enrich the knowledge base for your employees and integrate all the knowledge by the expert, make it available to the whole learning community.